Wow, this AI from Google is on another level, so I think the game is a bit high. So I just want to show you something. I once received this picture of mine. I was doing poetry here. You see the pixels are very bad, so I changed it to look like this, and then this, and then this. A light is coming. So if you observe the first picture, the eyes were not that visible. Actually, they were not visible at all. So the question that you can have right now is that how did you come up, or rather, how did you do this? So let's go back to this first picture. So say you have such a picture, so I don't want to use it all so that it cannot be confusing. So I'll just edit this one and then crop it down a bit so that I can be actually the only one in this picture, like this, and then hit save. Okay, just after saving it, I'm going to close everything here and go to Google here. So simply type Google AI here, or rather Google Gemini. So make sure that you click this one with some beautiful decors here. After clicking this one, you wait a bit. It will allow you to load now the picture here, and then you will upload the picture. Say the picture is on your images, obviously, and then I'll pick this one and say done. Okay, so it will show after loading the picture here like it has done right now, and then you will tell Google what you want this picture to be done on. So, or what you want to be done on this picture. So let us type here, make the best pixels of this picture. Okay, and then say go. So it didn't try to detect anything graphically, especially on your pixels that are not perfect, and then try to reshape it to be on a better state. So let us wait a bit, it is still loading, boom! You see, now the eyes are a bit visible. If you look at it, it's a very, very beautiful picture right now. But then, let's say you're not satisfied. You can type again, give it more better pixels. And then, better pixels, and then hit go again. Now it will actually concentrate on the last one, because the first one maybe it missed a shot there. But then I'm trying to show you how to find your oldest picture here on Google Gemini. If you've watched the movie The Gemini Man, there is it. So I want to believe this one is okay. Anyways, whichever way you will be doing this, it's fine. So now you'll just hit press here, press and hold, and hit download.